Ball head. Man, as y'all can see, we back with another video, man. I'm starting the video off at the tire shop, you know what I'm saying? Because fuck it, why not? And I had to get tires. As y'all see, the back ones are done up, you know what I'm saying? Now we got to get the front ball head. Damn! Like, ball. I'm going to show you the other one. I'm so sick about my spoiler. Bitch bald as hell. And I didn't bring the fucking caps, like, for the other tire. So y'all see it got the crump, those caps in there. I had other caps, man, but yeah. So yeah, we need new tires because the car's still shaking. We got all the front suspension stuff done, you feel me? But it needs these new tires. I still gotta fix this fucking shit right here, bro. Shit look ass. And I gotta fix my window. I was gonna do it today, but the percent tint I had was 20. This 5. I need 5 all around. Y'all know I gotta do both of these windows over. So I got the window fixed and they fucked the tint up. Y'all thought it was me actually who did this, but I didn't. So I'm glad I'm finally saying that shit. Ain't no cars out here. It usually be some little fast shit running down here, man, but not today, I guess. But yeah, man, I know y'all haven't seen my car in a minute, but y'all be seeing Tay shit. Y'all be always seeing, but this is the reason why y'all haven't seen my car, because it's been shaking and stuff like that. So yeah. I get new tires to put on the front, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna pick y'all up when they start working on my car. But yeah, I'll be right back. Dang y'all, so y'all can see. We back though, man. I'm gonna show y'all the tire after you take it off, so I know that bitch ball. Damn, let me see that. Shit, man.
Stop it.
Ball head. I see you got new meat.
Got him. We fucking got him.
It's a good Pirelli. That'll work. No cap. Dead ass bugs and shit. Dumb ass shit. I don't know why my shit so zoomed in. Should be using my camera. Let me use that as a thumbnail. Be right back. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, man, we back. We left the tire shop. As y'all seen, we went and got tires, you know what I'm saying? And now, I know a lot of y'all been looking at my bumper and shit, saying it don't go and shit like that. So yeah, I went and got the bumper that go to the tail lights and stuff like that. So that's what we about to do. About to swap this bumper out and put the new one on. You did?
New bumper?
Yeah. Be right back. All right, we back, man. As y'all can see, took that bumper off. It's the old bumper. Let me show you how this shit broke. I didn't break it. It was already broke. That's the tail light connector for the lights, for the fucking license plate light. Yeah, this is a new bumper. About to put it on there. I do need some new tabs on this side. Let me show y'all. It's easy. You just pop the tabs off on each side and pull the bumper down. Not too biggie. But if your shit broke like this, don't pull it too hard, you know what I'm saying? I got to get a replacement one of these. Definitely got to get a replacement. But yeah, so yeah, this what it's looking like. So I'm going to pick y'all up when I put this bumper on there. Show y'all how it look. It look striker vibes right now. So yeah, pick y'all up. Hold on. All right, man, as y'all can see, we back. New bumper on there. And yeah, it look 10 times better. Even though I got to get it painted and stuff like that. Don't worry about that.
Back in the day, that was fast.
I know. We ain't back in the day no more. And that shit ain't fast. Look, as soon as I put the hood, little baby keys, right? Look at it. Look, you about to start big. Watch. Where the BB gun there, bro? Say it. Go ahead and say it.
Where the BB gun at? White boy, what you laughing at?
Call that nigga white boy.
But for real, where's that?
They ain't come. It's not a BB gun.
It's an
Or a BB gun.
Yeah. Do it again. Do that too.
Hey YouTube, man, y'all can see we back at my house at the garage, man. I don't know, in the last couple of days the bumper have been giving me the most problems. As y'all seen in the last clip, I told y'all I needed new tabs, as y'all can see. And yeah, I couldn't go get them today because clearly it keep raining on and off, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gotta wait another day to get those, but I definitely need those because you can see the big difference. Like, it's no gap, but then fat ass gap. And yeah, when I'm driving on the freeway, you can tell like it's loose and stuff like that. Y'all can see my tail light markers, whatever the stuff that go, the light that go for the, bro, I hate when I can't talk. The lights for the license plate are hanging down because they different from the ones that come with the bumper, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I ain't installed those yet. I gotta fix that. Yeah, I just want to show y'all how the bumper came out. And so far, what we gotta do is get the diffuser, the spoiler, and wicker bill. And yeah, that's gonna be done with the back end. As y'all can see, I tinted these tail like the inside part. I might go darker just because that's not dark enough for me. That's like 20%. I might have to just go to 5%, completely dark it out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we almost done with the build, turning this 2013 into a 2015, man. As y'all know, this is a 2013 converted to a 2015 with everything, you know what I'm saying? And here, let me show y'all, like, y'all see this happened, like, as y'all can see on the previous clips, it wasn't scratched up, but that happened when the bumper came off on the freeway. That's why those hanging, you know what I'm saying? Told you I need new clips, need new tabs. I need them bad at this point, like, cause it's hanging like crazy. Like, it's supposed to be, hold on, if I can do it with my foot, lift it up. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to look. You know what I'm saying? But it's hanging like that. So yeah, in the next video, I'm definitely gonna have that part, the piece already. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all gonna see that in the next video that is gonna be completed. And yeah, we might be getting the diffuser and a spoiler in that video too as well. We might not, I don't know, because I got a lot of stuff to do, considering that this is not the only project that's going down. We got other stuff going down too with the front, my wiring for the fog lights, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming for the car and stuff. So if you're not tuned in, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, comment down below, all that good stuff. And I'm about to drop like at least 5 to 10 videos on this car for y'all. Like, I've been saving these videos for like good days. I don't know, I really just been non-consistent and not been dropping nothing at all. So yeah, y'all see it's about to rain again. I'm trying to hurry up and stuff like that. I'm waiting on my man to pull up too because I need to jump. My car is dead. This bitch just be dying every other day. Probably need a new battery, something like that. Yeah, definitely gonna need a new battery. But anyways, this is just the car so far. I am gonna give y'all a full walkthrough of the car in the next video. So that's gonna be the next video, is a full walk around of the car and what's coming next and what we're gonna be doing. We are painting this car. We're gonna be painting it, not wrapping it, because if I just wrap it over it, it's just gonna be doing stuff like this under it. And it's just, the car is bad. Like, it needs, the car was dark blue at first. Let me show y'all. Like, the car was dark blue before it got painted black, and they did a bad, terrible job at painting the car black. So I'm gonna get it repainted, body work, all that stuff done, because I want the car to be A1 again. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got imperfections, little stuff right there. And yeah, I don't want to talk y'all heads out too much, you know what I'm saying? I just want to show y'all the car, show y'all the bumper, the new bumper, what it's looking like with the new bumper on there. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind my garage. And look, as y'all can see, it started raining like a bitch instantly. But yeah, stay tuned to the next video, man. So y'all gonna see what we doing next. We do have to get exhaust. We got a lot of stuff coming for the car, man. So I'm gonna just be dropping these videos as I take care of everything. You know what I'm saying? Give me time, because everything is not being rushed. Y'all see I do got that rim over there, so y'all know what's next. But anyway, if you're not subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm basically just gonna be pushing these videos out just for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna be dropping them and continue with the build. It's been a little minute since I even touched the car, did anything, but now I'm back on track to start working on the car again. So yeah, hopefully y'all subscribe. Y'all see the journey. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm out.